Back again, day 3, Tbar Kaizen event. We started the day with action, following those action item lists and hitting it hard. You can see team members getting excited about starting to make improvements to their areas, and maintenance even helping out. Team members started coming up with their own ideas on how to pass parts evenly, even where parts and presentation should be, so it's easier to grab your components. This guy even came up with a way to put his hammer inside the table right where he needs it. Everyone was coming up with really creative ideas on where the parts, their tools, and everything should be, so it's closer to the point of use and it saves time, eliminating waste. From day 1's waste observations, you can see the cool improvements we did at the cleaning station. Before, you couldn't even pass the parts off the end of the line, and now look how beautiful that looks. Trip hazards removed, and everything right where the team member needs it, so it's easier to do their job and faster. We did our first one-piece flow trial today. You can see the team members here in ×5 running that first part in one-piece flow. No more whip cues, no more turning around, no more walking back to the railing just to set the parts down. The Erdmann stations actually glue in the front window first before the back, because they were gluing and letting go of the Erdmann, and you get this really nasty glue line right across that big windshield, or that big piece of glass. All the way through the line, we're starting to make small improvements. Team members are coming up with ideas. And that whole goal was to reduce the amount of cleaning needed in the back of the line, the end of the line downstream. The last station here is cleaning. You can see them, nice, new, pretty station. And look, there's no clutter at the end of the line. So instead of walking around the trip hazards and stopping the line every time you clean a part, look how easy it is to load this thing onto an L-buck right off the end of the line. Beautiful. And we can watch. This is the flow now. Look at this. And on Monday, this will look completely different. Amazing. Everything's easy, everything moves, nobody passes until the next is ready. It's beautiful. So I want everyone to remember the one thing for today is dirty hands are where the value is made. So get out to the Gemba, get your hands dirty, and make some impact.